Alright, so this is not going to be the official video on this because this is just going to be another ground test. Oh, whoops. Turn it on by the switch over here. So, there's a light, and then shut that off, and then turn that on low speed. That one's not on, it's just spinning. Media. I just want to let you know, if you think that's my bidder's pass, you're wrong, because that is the tag lot number. So if you guys try to buy stuff from my ticket, you can't. So sorry, and I won't let you anyway. Medium, I mean high. So then, what we're gonna do? Turn the light on. Where we have the light on. Nice. The light off. Yeah. Turn that off. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye, guys.